Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles from scratch easy, full guide. Preheat your waffle iron and measure ingredients precisely. Whisk dry ingredients, mix wet ingredients separately, then fold together until just combined. Let batter rest briefly while you spray the iron and heat to medium-high. Cook waffles until golden brown and crisp, flipping only if needed, then serve hot with butter, syrup, or fresh delicious. Dry ingredients first for better texture. Whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Combine eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla separately, then fold into dry mix until just moistened. Small lumps are fine. Rest the batter for 5 to 10 minutes to hydrate the flour and yield lighter waffles. Use a hot, greased waffle iron and measure batter with a 1/2 cup scoop for consistent size and even cooking reliably today. Quick recommendation: if you like small pleasures while cooking, subscribe and like this channel for more easy recipes and tips. I also suggest the product seen here. Socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It pairs humorously with kitchen duty and cozy breakfasts, so check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Customize waffles by swapping half the milk for buttermilk or adding cinnamon and citrus zest for extra flavor. Fold in mix-ins like chocolate chips or blueberries gently to avoid sinking, and consider a dash of melted butter for crisp edges. Adjust cooking time for your iron. Thinner batter cooks faster, while thicker batter needs more time. Keep finished waffles warm in a low oven while you finish the batch, and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.